Hey, welcome back. We're not just cooking here, we're creating edible masterpieces that will impress any guest, even yourself on a Wednesday night, and this is one of them that is extremely easy. Loaded potato soup with gunpowder spice. Let's get rolling. So first, we're gonna saute some onions with a little bit of butter and bacon. Let's get that going. Okay, let's put our butter in. I just melted my butter. Let's crisp up our bacon in that butter. We want to do that first so it releases all the nice fat so we can do our onions. We're creating the base of the soup. It's going to be smoky, tangy, creamy. All right, our bacon is starting to caramelize so nicely. It smells like there's nothing better than that smell. All right, we're gonna toss our onions in the bacon with the fat and everything. And we're not gonna get color on it, we're just gonna cook them soft. Here we go. I'm gonna season it every step of the way. Always gotta season all your recipes, every step. Great, I'm just gonna wait for those to turn soft, and then we're gonna go with our chicken stock. We crisped our bacon, we put our onions in with all that bacon fat. They entered the flavor zone for sure. Now we're gonna throw our potatoes in there, our diced potatoes, and just kind of juggle them in all that bacon fat. And then we're gonna add our chicken stock. Let's get going. Potatoes. This is the basis of a creamy soup. Now you can use veg stock, chicken stock, water, whatever you have at home. Great. And now that we have our chicken stock in there, we're gonna cook this until the potatoes start to break down a little bit. And then we're gonna add our cream after that and just bring it all together. Some gunpowder spice, get a little bit of that heat that Riesling loves. The potatoes are breaking down beautifully. Now to turn this into a creamy, dreamy masterpiece, we got to add our cream. Come join me. It's already smelling yummy. Now we're going to cook that together for about 15 minutes. Looking nice and creamy. So for like the last 5 minutes of the cooking, I'm going to go ahead and throw the Irby's gunpowder spice mix with Kashmiri chili, coriander, basin flour. Brings a beautiful heat that goes oh so well with the Riesling. All right, let's let all those flavors join together. Next scene, we'll be plating it up and having a cozy little lunch. Soup is done. Let's go ahead and get it in a bowl. Came out so good, you could smell those smoky flavors and the hit of the chili. Absolutely wonderful. Let's plate it up. Need some green onions, of course, on it. Let's do a little dash of the gunpowder spice on top. Give it that little extra kick. I'm ready for this, and the pairing with the Riesling is absolutely wonderful. And thank you for joining me today on this delicious adventure. May your kitchens be filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful aromas. Until next recipes, have a good day.